Is your lawnmower overheating, making strange rattling noises? A cracked fan cover could be destroying your engine. Welcome to WholeToolBox. The fan cover usually fails because of constant heat, engine vibration, impact damage, or long-term outdoor use. Over time, the plastic can crack, become loose, or break completely. Grass, dirt, and debris build up around the engine can also weaken the cover. If the mower hits hard objects during operation or transport, the cover may get damaged even faster. When the fan cover is broken, airflow around the engine is reduced, which may cause overheating and poor mower performance. The fan cover is located on the top front area of the mower engine, surrounding the cooling fan and flywheel assembly. This part helps direct cooling air over the engine while protecting internal components from dirt, debris, and accidental contact. A properly installed fan cover is important because it helps the engine maintain safe operating temperatures during mowing. Firstly, locate the spark plug and disconnect it by grasping and twisting the boot slightly back and forth to prevent accidental starting. Make sure the engine is completely cool before beginning the repair. Use the Torx screwdriver or flathead screwdriver to remove the screws or bolts holding the damaged fan cover in place. Carefully lift off the old cover and inspect the cooling fan area for dirt, grass buildup, or damaged mounting points. Position the new fan cover over the cooling fan assembly and align all mounting holes correctly. Tighten the screws securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this may damage the plastic cover. Make sure the cover is secure. After installation, reconnect the spark plug wire and start the mower to test operation. You can find the replacement part link in the description below. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com, subscribe to our channel and stay connected by following us on social media. Thanks for watching.